Hello everyone, welcome back to Drawinfo channel. This video series is about Illustrator tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. So in this tutorial we are going to see type tool or text tool. To activate type tool you need to press keyboard shortcut T. So once you press the T, type tool get activated over here. So we are taking the blank canvas over here. Now once you activated type tool, so you can activate type tool both the way, either pressing keyboard shortcut T or selecting this option from the toolbox T. Type tool basically used for write any text. So you can go Windows and there is a type option. So inside type you will get this many panels: character style, glyphs, open type, paragraphs, paragraph styles and tabs. So I'm going to take this character. So you see now we have opened the character panel over here. So here we can go and see, press show option. So we will get couple more options over here. So in the same character panel you will find there is a two more tabs are here. So this is paragraph and this is open type. So paragraph, character and open type. So to control property of text you can change here setting and you can change the color from here for text. I'm just writing some sample text over here. So you can, by typing here, you can give the font size. So this is the font size, and here you can control the type of font which you want. If you go inside you will get couple more options over here. So we will take Roboto Light first, and you see the below window you will find couple more options where you can change the regular, medium, other type of font weight actually. So now we have taken regular, we can change this into medium also. So this is the heading text or any bigger text you want. Now if you want to type some paragraphs, so what you need to do, you can go here and you need to click and drag over here. So selecting type tool you need to click and drag. So now my font size is very big, so I just going to reduce this into 36 something. So you'll see there is a box is appearing over here. So inside you can paste your paragraph or any kind of text over here. So I will show you one more time how it's come. So I just click over here, and when I'm dragging this rectangle to this much bigger, you see the dummy text lorem ipsum is by default is taking. So you can replace this para with the actual text in future. While designing you can take this sample text and you can work on it. So you can adjust this size to increasing rectangle or decreasing these edges. So if you want to create 3-column paragraphs, so you can do that by duplicating these things very easily. This is the general use of type tool. There is a couple more options in type tool also. If you go here you will find you can type on path tool, you can type on vertical. So we will see this type on path and type on vertical in our next advanced level tutorial. At the moment we will go with the basic of the type tool. Now we are going to look the other properties from this character panel. So this is the text size actually. So here you can give this text height. So how much you want to, if you take this is in between two row, it's in between increasing the distance actually. You see now our text look less clutter over here. So this you can control by changing this property. Now here it is auto. Here you can take optical and any other options are available over there. Then this is the space in between two characters, two text character, so that also you can control through this giving in between space. And this is couple more options over here. So how you want stretch and quash, if you want to reduce the height of text or increase the height of text, so you can do through controlling these things. Then this is the another options. Then this is the, if you want all caps to, you can select this, all small you can click this, you can click this also. So this many options are available over there. You want underline, you can click this. You want to rub this, you can take this. So this is the parameters: crisp, none, strong, sharp. So this is the way you can play with the text and you can get the desired result what you want. This is the alignment for the paragraph: left, center, right. So here couple more options are there, and this is the open type, default figure, default position. So this is the way you can control the text or type tool. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about all new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.